Hi, I'm Matthew, and today we're going to do another shave video. I just got out of the shower, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wet my face. And in today's shave video, I'm going to be using the Taiga razor. This is made by Homelike, and it's an open comb razor. I'm going to be using it on setting 4. So to load this razor, you're going to use this knob here. My camera's not focusing. And you remove that. So that's the one disadvantage to that razor, is it drops out. You remove the top cap, and then you're going to load your blade, which I'm using the Gillette Silver Blue. The tabs do not stick out on this razor, so it's a little bit tricky to get it loaded. Then you're going to hold that top cap and put that back in there. Now that it's loaded, the soap I'm going to be using today is made by PAA, and it is the CAD. This is a classic barbershop scent. It reminds me a lot of Barbasol. You got the hint of talc, rose, bergamot, some oak moss. It smells really good. And then I'm going to be using the Lancaster Razor Works bowl. I've already loaded the soap in there. I don't know if you can see it with the camera or not, but it's got little, I don't know, bumps in there, what you could call it. And then I'm using my trusty Omega boar brush. Just going to shake that water out and start lathering. Now with the combination of this boar brush and this bowl, it's going to definitely lather up really quick. I don't know if you guys were able to get in on that drop, but they definitely sell some limited stuff, so whenever he does the drop, it's one of those deals where you better get in there real quick to get it. Alright, so there's my lather. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the face. I do have a couple days growth there. I've got more of it growing on my face, on my shirt there. We'll save that for later. What are you guys shaving with today? I've heard all kinds of stories already this morning. Well, here we go. This blade combination with the razor works exceptionally well. Very smooth, not too much blade feel, and it just cuts right through. Oh yeah, I do like the way that soap leaves some slickness behind. Stays pretty hydrated throughout it. Another thing I picked up is the Lancaster's black sheep towel. This is a microfiber towel, and man, this thing is pretty awesome. If you haven't had one, you should definitely pick one up. It's not like the typical towels you can get at your local box store. I'm just wearing this soap all out today. Oh yeah. So as you guys know, if you've been watching any of my other videos, I just do a 2-pass shave. Now I'm going to go across the grain. Jerry always asks me, how do you go from your chin to your ear? I don't know. I guess it's because I have a goatee, so I like to try to ride that line versus going the opposite direction. And like I said before, this right here and right here is kind of a trouble area for me. And with that razor, I don't have any issues with it. And so I'm going to do a cold rinse here with some water in a bowl. And then I've got the matching CAD Aftershave splash. Oh yeah, there's no burning or stinging with that. And then the last thing I'm going to use is a little bit of star jelly. This is the unscented version. I do like the way this star jelly, it seems to soak into the skin really quickly, and it doesn't leave any greasiness or anything like that, so it's good stuff. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you guys got any questions or comments, leave them below, and if you don't mind, like, share, subscribe. You guys have a good one.